a sophomore wearing number 21, Caitlin Kaufman. And the forward, a senior wearing number 30, Hoey Thompson. That is the starting lineup for your CAK Warriors.
Number 15, Carly Gray. And number 30, Coley Thompson. Now for the starting lineup for Concord Christian School. Number 2.
And wearing number 30, a senior, Coley Thompson.
Our game tonight will pit the Christian Academy of Knoxville Lady Warriors and the Middle Tennessee Christian School Lady Cougars. The Lady Cougars come in with a record of 26-5 with the number 2 seed out of the middle bracket. CAK comes in at 25-6, the number 3 seed out of the east bracket. And this is their starting lineup for tonight. At a guard, number 2, Lexi Hannah. At guard, number 3, Maddie Green. At guard, number 15, Holly Gray. At guard, number 30, Holly Thompson. And at forward, number 11, Sophie Carroll. The Lady Warriors head coach.
Beginning the CAK. Number 2, Lexi Hannah. Number 3, Maddie Gray. Number 11, Sophie Carroll. Number 15, Holly Gray. And number 30, Cole Thompson.